How to find drafts on Instagram in 2026. If you've ever spent time creating the perfect post on Instagram and choosing the right photo, writing a catchy caption, and adding in filters, and then suddenly you lose it, then don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of people can save posts as drafts and later they struggle to find them again. And in 2026, Instagram has updated its feature just enough to make them slightly confusing if you don't know exactly where to look. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find your drafts on Instagram and whether it's posts, reels, or stories. Plus, I'll share some pro tips most users don't know that you can save your drafts from disappearing. So let's get into it. Now, before we jump into finding drafts, let's quickly understand what drafts usually are. Drafts on Instagram are unfinished content that you have already saved inside the application instead of posting it immediately. You may go ahead and edit a story, or you're simply posting something up and then it disappears as you close the application. Now, this is possible that you didn't actually lose it and it's just sitting in your drafts. And sometimes users forget or just don't know where to actually find these drafts with the recent updates going on with Instagram. And drafts on Instagram are not stored in the cloud by default. They're basically saved on your device and linked in your application. They may be linked to your app data and it's just basically tied to a login account. And it's super easy to actually go over with your drafts. And this is why drafts can simply disappear if something changes on your phone. Now let's go ahead and find where exactly our drafts are located. So for this, you can simply just go over and open Instagram. So let's say you go over in your story or you simply go over with your post. Now you slide up to actually edit whatever you're editing, and let's say that this is the post that we're simply editing and what we're going to post. Now let's simply talk about these story drafts and how this feature has improved a lot by 2026. Now, how you can actually access this is super easy. Simply slide left to your story or tap on a new post. Now you're simply going to slide up and you're going to see the option of the drafts at the top left corner along with different options like music, collage, or adding yours. Now we're going to click on our drafts and we see all the story drafts that have been here in the past week. Now we found our story draft and it didn't go missing. Now these could simply include images, videos, or just text-based stories. And once everything is done, simply click on upload. Now here's something that people don't understand. It is that the story drafts expire after 7 days. Yes, Instagram automatically deletes them after a week. So if something disappears, it is probably because of that. Now let's simply go ahead and find the reel drafts. Reels are a bit different and honestly, this is where people get confused. To find your Reels draft, you can simply go over to your Reels icon or your Reels section, and you're either going to see trial Reels, or in this place, you're simply going to see all the drafts that you have. Now, we're simply going to edit this in our Reels section, and once it's done, we can click on the option to save draft, or let's say that we accidentally exited. So when you go back to your Reels section and refresh your page, you simply see the drafts in trial Reels. So now you can go ahead and see all the trial reels and the drafts. So let's go ahead and look at the draft section, and right here you have all your drafts listed below. Now, real drafts, they saved only on your device and not Instagram servers. So if you switch phones or reinstall the app, they may disappear. Now let's go ahead and find out how you find post drafts, which are basically just in your feed post. So these are just basic regular posts that you're going to see. So let's go ahead and click on post. So let's say that this is the post that we're going to post. This is usually the most common type of drafts that get stored, and here's exactly what you need to do. So let's go ahead and select a post, and we simply have to go over to editing the post. You can add in music, text, or anything. Now, let's say that you actually switch out and just completely back out. Now, when you're actually posting, you see the option of drafts right next to your actual post. So we're simply going to click on this and the draft entirely appears again. And then boom, all our saved posts, drafts will appear here. Now if you don't see the draft section, it means that you don't have any drafts yet, or they were deleted automatically if you didn't reach out in the timeline or just before the expiration date. Instagram sometimes clear drafts if you log out or if you uninstall the application or clear app data. So don't just rely on simply drafts as permanent storage. Now we need to understand why these drafts actually disappear completely. If you've ever opened Instagram and your drafts are gone, it's frustrating, but there are some reasons. The most common ones are you logged out of your account, or you cleared up app cache or data, or you simply just uninstall Instagram app and the app updated with a reset. Story drafts expire after 7 days, so unlike cloud storage apps, Instagram drafts are mostly locally stored. That means they're not fully backed up. Now, some best practices to never lose these drafts are just to export important videos and save media to your actual gallery instead of simply just saving it in your drafts. Along with that, also avoid clearing app data and think of drafts as temporary and not permanent storage. Now, here's a pro tip to back up before actually closing the application. So, before exiting Instagram after editing, save your content to your phone. This way, even if the draft disappears, your content is completely safe. Now, here are some common mistakes that you need to avoid, which is looking only in one section. You can go ahead and look in 3 different sections for posts, reels, or stories depending on the type of content. You can also switch accounts unknowingly, so don't do that and make sure you check all your drafts and all your accounts that are logged in. And avoid deleting the app. Before we officially wrap up this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, don't just watch, practice. Open the tool, try the steps we went over, experiment with the settings, and see how things work for yourself. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get, and the faster you'll improve as well. If you run into any questions, challenges, or errors while following along, drop a comment down below. Even if it's something small, asking questions is the fastest way to learn and master new skills. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step guides like this. I post new tutorials regularly, and subscribing helps you stay up to date with the latest tools, tips, and tricks. Finally, also think about how you can use what you learned today in your own projects, work, or business. Apply these steps creatively and see what unique results you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helped you. Remember to comment your questions or ideas, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.